Hello everybody, we're looking at example A in section 10.3 in the unit on probability. Example A, Melissa has been keeping a record of probabilities of events involving her guitar string breaking during orchestra rehearsal. That's event B, which would be in this circle right there in the Venn diagram. A pop quiz in math, which is event Q, which would be this entire circle in the Venn diagram. And her team losing in gym class. Oh, poor Melissa. Her team lost in gym class. She must be a tryhard. Right there, we have the probability in that circle. So, although the three events are not mutually exclusive, they can be broken into 8 mutually exclusive events. These events and their probabilities are shown in this Venn diagram. So, question A, what is the meaning of the region labeled 0.01, which would be this region in the Venn diagram? Since that is the area of the Venn diagram where all 3 circles overlap, that would be the probability, which is 1%, that all 3 of these bad events happen to Melissa. So the meaning of the region labeled 0.01 is that there is a 1% chance that her string will break, she'll have a pop quiz in math, and her team will lose in gym class. Part B. What is the meaning of the region labeled 0.03, which is basically this part right there? So in that region of the Venn diagram, the string breaking circle and the team losing circle overlap, but that is not part of this pop quiz circle. So the meaning of that would be that there is a 3% chance that her string will break, her team will lose, but she will not have a pop quiz in math. Part C, what is the probability of a pop quiz, P of Q, today? The probability of a pop quiz is made up of this entire circle. And what we have to do here is add all of the different decimals that are in all 4 of these regions. So the probability that you'll have a pop quiz is 0.09. That would be the probability of a pop quiz only, without either of the other 2 events. Plus, 0.02 would be the probability of a pop quiz and her string breaking. 0.04 would be the probability that she'll have a pop quiz and her team will lose in gym class. And then 0.01 was the probability that all 3 things would happen. So what we need to do to answer question C is add all of these different probabilities together, and we get 0.16. So that means there's a 16% chance that she'll have a pop quiz in math today. Part D, find the probability of a pretty good day, which means probability of not B, meaning her string would not break, not Q, which is the probability she will not have a math quiz, and not L, which is the probability her team would not lose. So this means that none of these 3 things happen, and that would be this region out here in the rest of the field or the universe of this Venn diagram, which is 0.57. It's basically 100% minus all the probabilities that exist in here. So if you would add all of these numbers together and subtract from 1, you would get this 0.57. So there's a 57% chance that none of these bad things would happen. That's it for example A.